So guys, we're gonna do another game with these ones. No cars this time now. And we canceled the other one because Nina was just messing it up. So no Nina, just me and my dad. And it's gonna be good guys versus bad guys. And this is the track. And let's get started. So.
All right.
So.
Who are you gonna pick?
From bad guys, I'm gonna pick.
Who are you thinking?
Pirate's Curse.
Okay.
And.
Taking your sweet time.
Husky.
All right. Pirate's Curse and Husky. I'm gonna stay down here and I'm gonna see this action from the bottom of the track.
So first, Husky from the good guys team.
Husky looks a little wobbly coming in. Oh, doesn't even get off the carpet, but he does land right on his tires. Oh, he's flying. This guy's gonna smoke Husky. Oh yeah.
Oh, the bad guys 1 point and the good guys 0 points.
Holy moly.
These have to go over. Okay, the winners go here and the losers go here. Okay? And the bad guys and
He picked Earthshaker.
Rainbow Blast from the good guys.
He picked Earthshaker and Rainbow Blast. What do you think? What do you think, guys? Earthshaker or Rainbow Blast? I don't know. Here he comes. Earthshaker right in the pit. Automatic 10 points. Oh, Rainbow Blast right in the pit too. Who do you think won that? I don't really know. Earthshaker?
I think. Well, the tire is it's a tire, but it looks like. But when I do this, it go. When I do this, it goes all the way to this.
Oh, okay.
So the end of the tire, and then when I bring it up, it goes to the.
All right. Whatever you think.
Rainbow Blast.
Rainbow Blast wins? All right. Now who you picking?
Now, Bowser and Mario.
Bowser's fast.
Bowser and Mario.
But Mario's really quick. Mario's fast because I saw him in the last race. He did really good.
Yeah, he won the whole thing last time.
Bowser coming in hot next to the dog named Bowser. Mario smoked him. He blasted right past him.
Mario takes the lead.
Which one do you like, Bowser? Which one do you like? Calabama. He's picking the Calabama. Guys, did you hear that? He's picking Calabama. Oh, I heard he's picking Calabama. Yeah, I heard that. Did you hear he's picking Calabama? Why did he pick Calabama?
And
Zombie. All right. Zombie versus Calabama. This is going to be a weird one. This is going to be a weird race, guys.
Why?
I don't know. I just got a really weird feeling about this race. Calabama landed right on his back. And Zombie's looking sideways, coming in. Oh, lands right on the chair, and he can stay there because he lost.
Yeah.
He lost like a zombie.
Look, bad guy.
Oh.
Look, bad guy, good guy, good guy, good guy.
All right.
So the good guys take the lead.
Yes.
Hulk
Hulk.
versus Squid.
Hulk versus Squid. I hope the squid doesn't wrap his tentacles all around Hulk.
Yeah. But he can punch him in the face and crush him.
Yeah, because Hulk's strong. Oh, this is a long track. Oh, he's fast. Oh!
Try that again.
Let's try that again. He gave him too much of a push, I think, and he got a little squirrely.
Yeah. This track is really bad.
No, this track is tough. Oh, Hulk lands on his tires and comes out strong. Oh, we got Squid coming in squiggly. Oh, Squid comes in. It looks like Hulk won by a hair.
Oh.
The big green guy pulls it out. All right.
Superman versus
Superman. All right. Versus Werewolf. I don't know who's going to win this one, but I'm going to root for Superman because Superman has superpowers, and this dog right here thinks Superman's going to win. He already told me. Oh, yeah, look at that. Superman's... Oh, never mind. That was Werewolf. All right, Superman, come on. You got to beat him, Superman. Beat him. Oh, Superman beats him by a little bit with his cape.
Yeah.
Superman gets to go to the finish.
On the second round.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Who's he going to pick now? Choices. Look at all these choices. I don't even know.
Bad Bigfoot.
Bad Bigfoot.
And
who?
um,
Who's he gonna pick?
Monster Mutt.
Monster Mutt. Bad Bigfoot versus Monster Mutt. All right. Bad Bigfoot's coming in hot. Oh, that's a nice dismount. I like his style. Bad Bigfoot takes him with the lead. What do you think?
Yeah.
Pretty good racing.
Yeah.
Who's he gonna pick now, guys? He's got so many choices. Gumster. That sounds made up.
No. Look.
Oh. It actually says Gungster on it. I totally thought he was making that up. Gungster and who else? Sparkle Smash?
Blue Thunder.
I like it. I can play with it. I like it.
This one's so fast, no one can beat him.
We'll see about that. Yeah. That's what they always say, you know, and then they come through and then what the? Oh, it's okay. I think it made the track better. That just made the track better.
Okay.
It made it faster. Holy moly, you see the way he came over that jump? Oh, Gungster.
No, it made it worse. It's Blue Thunder's tires is his
So who won?
Blue Thunder.
Blue Thunder.
Because his tire was
Blue Thunder takes it home. All right, Blue Thunder.
on the second level.
Oh, yeah. Who's he going to pick now? Zombie
Versus Horsepower.
Zombie versus Horsepower. That's what I'm talking about. Zombie versus Horsepower. Here comes Zombie right across Bowser. He's going to hit him in the back. Oh, hit him right in the foot.
No, it's Horsepower. That was
Horsepower. Here comes Zombie coming in fast. Zombie smokes him right in the middle of Bowser's legs. Zombie won that one. Batman. Oh, he's going to bring 4 at a time, guys. This will be cool. We see 4 back-to-back racing. This will be a lot more entertaining. He's got 4, guys. He's got 4. This is going to be some good racing. Back to back to back to back.
Crush Spider-Man.
Crush Spider-Man.
Thanos.
Thanos.
Joker and Batman.
Bowser, you're in the way. You're going to get hit in the head. Ah! Oh, that was a smooth landing, Batman. Oh, yeah, that was nice. That was fast. Thanos is fast. Woo! Not too bad. I can't get the dog out of here. Oh! Oh, yeah, that was awesome.
4 at a time.
You don't like 4 at a time?
No.
Why?
Not
It's too hard to figure out who won. Who won?
So
Wins that one. Thanos wins. Thanos wins. Batman versus Joker. This is going to be a good one, guys. Really good. Batman versus Joker.
versus
Joker's up first. Nice, smooth landing right into the pit. Here comes Batman. Coming down the track. Oh! Joker won. Oh, we got a wild card. He's throwing in a wild card, guys. He's adding a champion in the mix. He's adding a champion. Who's he adding? Megalodon.
Yes.
We got Wonder Woman versus Sasquatch. I remember Wonder Woman's fast, but here comes Sasquatch. Ooh. Sasquatch fell. Here comes Wonder Woman. Wonder Woman's coming. Wonder Woman's fast, I remember. Oh, something's wrong with the track, guys. We got to work on this track. All right, we got the track fixed. Sasquatch barely made it off. Oh, but he caught right up there with Wonder Woman, but she wins. Wonder Woman's tire just wins by a whip. All right. Who's up now? Who do we got coming up now?
Dragon.
Do Flash, do Flash, do Flash. Come on, dude, do Flash. Pick Flash, pick Flash. Oh. What'd he pick?
Okay.
Oh, cool, he picked Monster Mutt. That's my second favorite.
That's not Monster Mutt. It's wait. Which kind of
Mudster Mutt? Dalmatian?
Dalmatian and Dragon.
Dalmatian versus Dragon. They both have D's. Start with D's.
Yeah.
Dalmatian versus Dragon. Whoa, that's a big track. That's fast. The track is back. The track is back with the Dragon attack. Woo! Dragon smokes him. Puts a little fire on his breath. Holy cow! That was cool. Sparkle Smash barely made it. Sparkle Smash, I'm sorry, but son of a digger just dug you a grave. Bone Shaker versus Chewbacca. Bone Shaker versus Chewbacca. I'm liking what I'm hearing. I'm really liking this race, guys. Who do we got here? Oh, Chewbacca coming in stinky. Bone Shaker shaking the bones. Oh, Chewbacca won. Oh, he just picked Spider-Man. He picked Spider-Man. Finally. Let me see what he looks like up close. Oh, let me get a good look at him. Wow.
Spider-Man and Skeletor.
And Skeletor. Skeletor's from He-Man. Oh, I can see the whole track from here. Oh, Skeletor, that was not bad. I'll give it to you. But Spider-Man's about to take you to the bank. Oh, no! I was wrong. I spoke too soon. Skeletor wins. Skeletor wins. All right, who are you picking now?
Iron Man and... What is this one?
V8 Bomber.
Iron Man and V8 Bomber.
Iron Man and V8 Bomber. Awesome. Oh, V8 Bomber. Iron Man's flying in. Woo! Iron Man wins. Iron Man wins.
So, we just have to trust these ones?
All right, now I can see the last race. Alien Invasion versus Flash.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that.
Alien Invasion versus Flash. This is going to be a fast race, guys. One of the fastest races of all time. Woo! I told you that was fast. You see Flash? He's probably the fastest truck out here on the tracks today. Alien Invasion. Oh! It's hard to say because the door.
It's Flash.
Flash won.
Yeah.
All right, now, guys, you see this lineup of winners that we have right here? These are all winners. We have to race these winners against each other to see who's going to race the final champion.
Wonder Woman and Superman.
Wonder Woman versus Superman. Oh! Whoa!
It's Superman.
Superman.
And Mario.
Iron Man and Mario. Man, Mario always does good. Iron Man's fast though. Remember how fast he was? Iron Man won.
Yeah.
That was a good race.
Chewbacca and Hulk.
Chewbacca versus Hulk.
No, actually, Chewbacca and Skeletor.
Chewbacca versus Skeletor. He tricked us. Ooh, right on his back. Oh, Skeletor taking it home. Yeah, for the win. What do you think about that? Alabama versus Blue Thunder. Blue Thunder coming in with a nice run. Alabama just barely getting in there. Blue Thunder pulling off the win. This is a good race, guys. Now we're getting down to the semifinals.
Yeah.
We got some more racing to do till we determine who is the fastest truck.
Flash and Dragon.
Flash and Dragon? Flash and Dragon. Sounds like it could be one name, Flash and Dragon. Oh, Flash made it. That was good.
Even the track is getting messed up.
We got to fix the track. Let's go see what's going on with the track.
Only at the top though.
We got problems with the track. All right, track's back up. Now we've got a good race here. Dragon's about to drop in. Dragon dropped in, got a little squirrely, and took off.
The winner is Flash.
Flash wins. Hulk versus Thanos. There goes Thanos. He's pretty good. There goes Hulk. Oh! I'll hold it so it'll go good. There you go. Woo! Gets a little squirrely. Takes off. He's doing good.
It's Thanos.
Thanos comes in strong for the win. Who's up next? Bigfoot versus Son of a Digger.
Oh,
Bigfoot. Oh, we got to fix that. There he goes. He was fast. Oh, he looks... Whoa, did you see he got sideways? Woo!
The winner is Bigfoot.
Bigfoot coming in strong for the win. Pirates, Curse, and Zombie. Whoa! That was smooth. Woohoo! Oh yeah!
And it's Pirates Curse.
Pirates, Kurtz wins.
Rainbow Blast and Joker.
Rainbow Blast and Joker. Last ones. Whoa, Joker took off with the flames. Rainbow Blast right behind him. Whoa!
The winner is Rainbow Blast.
Awesome. So that was the finals. Now we're into the semifinals. That means these guys got to race against each other. Process of elimination. Who is going to win out of these guys?
Flash and Blue Thunder.
Flash versus Blue Thunder. Blue Thunder coming in smooth. But Flash is fast. Man, Flash is fast.
The winner is Flash.
Flash wins again. I think Flash is going to be the winner of the whole thing.
Yeah. Flash and Superman.
Rainbow Blast and Superman. Get a sideways angle. Man, he was fast. These guys are really going in quick. Who won that one? Tough call.
That was Rainbow Blast.
Rainbow Blast.
Foot.
Pirates Curse and Bigfoot. Whoa. Bigfoot. Wow.
And Pirates Curse.
Yay.
Iron Man.
Werewolf and Iron Man.
Yeah.
Awesome. Woohoo. Oh, he went off the side.
Yeah.
And Iron Man. Oh.
And Iron Man.
Iron Man wins.
Leaving Thanos Leaving Thanos and Skeletor.
Thanos and Skeletor. She wants me to break this baby's leg. Oh, hold on. Oh, who's going to win this one? Oh, who won?
Skeletor.
Skeletor?
Yeah. Did you break it? So
All right, let's do it.
Flash and Pirate's Curse.
Oh, Flash versus Pirate's Curse. And Nina's doing surgery over here on her baby dolls. Flash versus Pirate's Curse. Whoa.
The winner is Flash.
Woohoo.
Okay. Skeletor and Iron Man.
Oh, Skeletor versus Iron Man. This is gonna be good, guys. This is gonna be good. Skeletor's fast.
Oh.
And Iron Man.
It's faster.
Oh, Iron Man.
The winner is Skeletor.
Yes. Skeletor.
Of that I see. Let's see after K. She, this, and then the caravan.
Rainbow Blast versus Calibama. Woo, Calibama's smooth. But Rainbow Blast has got that fire. Woo! Who won? Who won?
Rainbow Blast.
Rainbow Blast is fast. Only 4 more? Let's do it. That means
Rainbow Blast and Flash.
Rainbow Blast versus Flash. That means we've got 3 races left, and then we've got the last race. Woo! I can help you 1 second. Holy moly! Oh, whoa! Track's falling apart. Let's pause it. Pirate's Curse and Skeletor.
Wait, we didn't find out who's the winner.
Oh, we didn't see who the winner is. Who's the winner?
I hate to tell you, but
What?
we wanted Flash to win, but it was really Rainbow.
Oh, Rainbow Blast won. Hey, Rainbow Blast is fast.
Yeah, he might
But
win.
we got the champion in here. And whoever wins has to race the champion, right? And now we have a leg. The trophy's a leg.
Skeletor and Pirate's Curse.
Skeletor versus Pirate's Curse. Oh, the track got messed up.
The track was messed up.
Yeah, we gotta fix the track.
Yeah. You have to try that again.
Yeah, we had to fix the track. Pirate's Curse, nice and smooth this time. Good dismount. Skeletor right behind him. Oh, Skeletor went up the side and lost.
The losers don't get the trophy. The winners do get the trophy.
Okay, cool.
And as a trophy, we're all sides.
Yeah.
Okay. This is what we were waiting for.
Yep.
Pirate's Curse versus Rainbow Blast. Whoever wins this and races this guy
Wins everything.
Yeah.
Woo! Nice. Come on.